and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Sam from sugarsplenrun.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make soft baked frosted sugar cookies. We are going to be making these chewy cookie bases and the sweet buttercream frosting today. So to get started, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and let's begin. We'll start by combining a half cup of softened unsalted butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Cream these together in your mixer until they're well combined. The next thing that we'll be adding is a 1/3 cup of sour cream. I know this may not seem like a traditional cookie ingredient, but you are definitely going to want to add this for the best texture and flavor in these frosted sugar cookies. And then we'll add 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now let's mix together our dry ingredients. We'll need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then gradually add them to your wet ingredients until they're completely combined. Now we'll scoop our dough by 1½ tablespoon-sized balls onto a parchment paper-lined cookie sheet. Go ahead and roll these between your hands until they're smooth. And then lightly dampen your hands with cool water and use your fingers to gently flatten the cookie dough balls. Now we'll go ahead and bake the cookies on 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 7 to 8 minutes. Once they come out of the oven, if they've puffed up any while baking, use the flat bottom of a clean glass to gently flatten the tops. Alright, while those cookies are cooling, let's go ahead and make our frosting. You can make this frosting any color you'd like. Today, I'll be making mine pink. I like using these gel food colorings, but you can certainly use traditional liquid food coloring as well. I like the gels because they give your frosting a really vibrant color. For the frosting, we'll start by creaming together a 1/2 cup of butter with a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and beat this until creamy and well combined, and then we'll gradually add some powdered sugar to the mix. We are using 1 cup of powdered sugar. For a creamier frosting, you can add 2 to 3 teaspoons of heavy cream. Finally, we'll add some food coloring. We'll spread the frosting on top of our cookies, decorate with sprinkles, and that is how you make these soft and chewy frosted sugar cookies. If you like a nice chewy sugar cookie, you are going to love this recipe. I really hope you will try it out and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.